If you want to make a GPS speedometer with fast refresh update, this video is for you. Hi everyone, in this video we'll make an Arduino GPS speedometer with 5 Hz update using NEO-6M. In this project, we will disable NMEA protocol and enable U-blox. So we will use this diagram to communicate with the GPS device and change its configuration. Once you have all the wires connected, connect the Arduino to your computer and run the U-Center application. At this point, click on the arrow and connect the COM port. So I don't know why loading takes time. So once the COM port is there, click on it, select it. You will notice the TX LED on the Arduino started flashing. It flashes once every second, which is 1 Hz. Now to monitor the messages, go to View and select either of these messages. I'll select Packet Console. You'll see that we are receiving NMEA. To disable the NMEA messages, go to View, Messages View. Right-click on NMEA, disable child messages. You'll see everything turns gray. Now we will enable U-blox messages, and for that select U-blox, expand it, go to NAV. We'll need to enable 2 messages, which is one of them is SOL, SOL. Right click, enable, because we need the information, this information only from it. SVS used, which is the number of connected satellites. The other message is VEL NED, and we need the ground speed from it. Right click, enable message. Now you'll see once the message is enabled, it will turn black and not gray. If it's gray, then it is not enabled or disabled. Now we'll change the update speed. For that, we'll go to U-blox CFG, expand it, and look for rates or rate. Change the measurement period from 1000 to 200. Now we'll need to save the configuration. Go to U-blox CFG. Once you have if you click anywhere and receive this message, press yes. Then CFG, select all the devices from here. And for that I press shift and click on the first one, holding shift, press the fourth one. Make sure the save current configuration is selected. Press send once or twice. Once you increase the update rate, you will notice that the light on the Arduino, the LED light, will be flashing faster. Anyway, now we'll disconnect the Arduino to make sure the messages are saved. And as you can see in the packet console, we are receiving 2 messages, which are the messages we enabled. Disconnect by pressing here. Unplug the USB port and put it back. Press on the arrow. Select COM3 or whatever port you have. Now disconnect by pressing here again. Check the other diagram. Rewire the Arduino to look like this. Once you have all the wires connected, the major thing is We remove the jumper wire from ground to reset, and we connect the TX to RX instead of TX, TX, RX, RX. And we obviously added the screen. Once you have all that done, start the provided Arduino file, which will look like this. This is the code for one message, thanks to iForce 2D. If you need more information about the messages, check out his videos. The link will be in the description. This code is ready to receive one message, which is VELNED message only. I just modified the code to receive VELNED message, which contains information about the ground speed, which is this one. And in the future, we'll make another video using two messages for the G speed and the connected satellites. The only things I added, the kilometer here, and mile, which is you can choose either one of them. Say if you want the mile, then press Control / I think, and then comment the other one by holding the Control / For now, I'll keep it kilometer per hour. Then we added this message to receive this message. Skip to go down. So the major thing I did is here, which is I had issues with UXGlib, so I changed to Adafruit SSD, which solved the issue of memory. Now to upload the code, go to Tools, select the port. For me, it is 3 again, and select the board, which is Arduino Uno. Now before uploading, disconnect pin 1 RX. Otherwise, you'll have issues with the uploading. Press the upload button. Now the upload is running. Okay. Once the code has been uploaded, reconnect pin 1 and enjoy using the speedometer. Coming up next is the code for using SOL and VELNED messages together to have both information, like both messages. The speed, which is G speed, ground speed, and the connected satellites. Thanks for watching and enjoy the speedometer.